Hello everyone, welcome to Carsmith Motors once again. My name is Vishwas and today we are working on a 2020 Renault Kwid climber. As you can see, the front fender, left fender has been damaged along with the bumper and the right side fender as well. And today we will show you the dry film thickness or the DFT of a factory painted car. This panel has never been repainted. It's been the same since the car was manufactured, and we will be replacing this panel, and we will repaint it using our paint robot, and we will show you the difference or the similarity in the dry film thickness from the factory finish robotic painting that we have in our workshop. And in the next few seconds I'll show you the DFT readings from our DFT meter, and you will understand the difference of the factory paint and the robotic paint that we do.